This video describes a eLTSS software system that we've built for a number of different programs, some being federal programs, special programs within states, and also different waiver programs dealing with long-term supports and services for a state Medicaid series of programs. The idea initially was to combine a bunch of disparate pieces of software into a single platform. And we're going to take a look at some of the functionality that's in the current version of the eLTSS software. This is the real basic version of the client profile that shows you how to search for a client, look at a client summary. The nice thing about having all of the programs and waivers managed in the same system is that you can get a nice longitudinal view of the different requirements for each waiver program. In this case, living at home and also MAPC, you can drill into individual activities within a program or waiver and view each of those either at a summary level or at a drill down level, where you can expand each of these different tasks, showing a quick summary of how many, for instance, initial screenings have been done. You can also drill down from this screen here into individual activities. In this case, we've got a plan of service and plan of care. We can zoom into that and look at each one of these different sections that have been easily kind of categorized and summarized for the user. This is a quick scroll through looking at the details within that initial screen. The alerting system is really an important piece. This was done primarily to increase the speed and the efficiency of the workflow. You're seeing the user here click through to say that they've accepted an individual alert that the system's generated. And once they've accepted that, it really starts the clock on how long does it take to get from each step in the workflow. And so for reporting, for instance, with dashboards, you can really look at which parts of the workflow are taking longest and which ones are moving as fast as they should. This is an example of some of the workflow and dashboard diagrams that we've got here now. There's a couple of bar charts that are showing the productivity throughout different months of each one of the different case management agencies within the state. You can also look at alerts here as a zoomed in panel. Each one of these alerts that appears here can be explored further, or you could expand each of these kind of smaller dashboards and make that really be the main focus of the main screen. In this case, you're looking at each of the statuses of different waivers and applications that are pending. Here's another look at a data visualization where we're looking at the number of folks that are pending versus finished.